In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open an Airtable link correctly. To get started, first locate the Airtable link you want to open. You might receive it in a browser, an email, a chat message, or another shared document. Before opening it, it's a good idea to make sure you're selecting the exact link you need, especially if you've been sent more than one. This helps avoid confusion and make sure you land in the right place from the beginning. Next, make sure you're logged in to the correct Airtable account. This is an important step because Airtable access often depends on which account you're using. If you have multiple accounts, double check that the one currently signed in is the one that has permission to view the shared content. Taking a moment to confirm this can save time and prevent access issues later. If you're using a mobile device, install the Airtable app if you haven't already, and then open it. While Airtable links can sometimes open in a browser, using the app usually gives you a smoother experience and makes navigation easier. Having the app ready beforehand can also help your device recognize the link properly. Once everything is set, tap or click the Airtable link from wherever you received it. This could be directly from your browser, your inbox, or a messaging app. After selecting the link, wait for your device to process it and begin opening the destination. If your phone or tablet asks how you want to open the link, choose the option that says Open in Airtable. This ensures the link opens inside the Airtable app instead of a web page, which is often more reliable for viewing linked content correctly. If you don't see that prompt, the link may open automatically, and that's completely fine. After the link opens, take a moment to confirm that it brought you to the correct location. Check that you're in the right base, and then verify the table, view, or record if needed. This is especially useful when working in shared workspaces where multiple sections may look similar. A quick check helps confirm you're viewing exactly what was intended. If the link doesn't open or if you see a message saying you don't have permission, you'll need to request access. In that case, follow the access prompt or contact the person who shared the link and ask them to grant the appropriate permissions. Once access is approved, try opening the link again. That's how to open an Airtable link correctly and make sure you reach the right content without unnecessary delays.